Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS3450. I want to show you how to print documents and photo with this printer and from computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop you want to use both are connected together via wireless network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected both via wireless network. To print documents, select File Explorer, then go to Documents, then type the document name. Select on the document, double-click it to open. This is the document we want to print out, two-page document. Select Ctrl P, or you go on top and select print icon. So select Ctrl P. Then go on the left side and select correct printer, Canon TS3450 series. It will show you ready. Select on it. Then select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Then select layout, the page, we want to print all. Color, we want to print the document in color. Print on both sides. Scroll down, we want to print on both sides, long edge. We need to do this manually, so I'm going to show you how to print on both sides with this printer. Scroll down again to more settings, then you select the page. Paper size as A4. Actual size 100%. One page per sheet. Then you select print. Then take the paper, reload the paper on the rear paper tray with the printed area facing at the back. So reload the paper on the tray, select OK to confirm, continue. So this is the document we printed out. I selected OK to confirm the paper, and also at the same time the next page will print out, or you press this copy button. Another method is also you select continue from the laptop. Another method to print documents is for us to use Canon Print app. This printer and laptop both are connected together via Canon Print app. So go to Microsoft Store, search Canon Print app or Canon Print app. Select Canon Print app, open the app. The printer and laptop are connected together via Canon Print app. Just need to wait for the app to be ready. Printer, and this is the app. From this app, you can print documents, you can print photo. So select document prints. Then go on the left side, select the document you want to print out. You can type the document name, for example. Select on the document, select open file. So the document is going to attach to Canon Print. It's two-page document. We printed the first one earlier, two-sided. Now I want us to print this document black and white and single page. So select the size as A4, orientation, portrait. Want to print all. Media type, plain paper. Duplex printing, which is two-sided, is none. Print quality, you can select auto or scroll down to select high, standard, or draft. So let's say we select standard, for example. One page per sheet. Scroll down to change the color, grayscale. So the document is changed to black and white. Then select the copy. Use up and down to select number of copies. Then you select print to print the document. If you change your mind, you can select this button. I'm going to print only page 1. So the document was just cancelled by myself. I pressed stop to cancel the second page. So we printed only page 1 instead of 2. Now I want to show you how to print photo. First of all, we need to replace the paper. So we're going to change this paper from A4 to 4x6 photo paper. So I got 4x6 photo paper here. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure the printable area need to face up. So the smooth part, the printable area need to face up. So we'll go to the paper tray, remove A4, load 4x6 photo paper on the rear tray, like I said, with printable area facing up. Then adjust the paper guide. Then go to the LCD screen, select paper select button to 4x6. Keep pressing it and keep an eye on the LCD screen to 4x6, 10 by 15 centimeter. Then select OK to confirm it. So the paper is now changed to 4x6 and 10 by 15 centimeter. Now to print photo, you select photo print, or if you don't want to use Canon Print app, then you go to File Explorer, then go to wherever you save the photo and select on it. But I want us to print with Canon Print app. So select photo print. It will still take you to your computer for you to select the photo. So I want to print the photo from the document file. I'm going to type the photo name, select on it, then select open the photo. This is the image I want us to print out. Then go on the right side, select the size as 4x6. The size is already selected. If you have different size, you can scroll down to select the size. 4x6 selected. Orientation is currently in portrait. Media type, scroll down to select glossy photo paper. Print quality is currently auto. You can select high, standard. So auto is selected. Borderless. You can switch borderless on or off. This is borderless is on. So the photo is borderless. Color is selected. You can select grayscale. This is the grayscale. You can see what the color looks like. Black and white grayscale. If you want it in color, then change the grayscale to color. This is the color of the image. Source, rear paper tray. Then select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Then select print. So the paper is picked up. This is the photo we printed out, borderless in color. So these are ways to print documents and photo. Thank you very much indeed.